Good morning, everyone. Start of a brand new day. It's Monday morning. The sun is rising and the sounds of Australia. Getting louder. Here they come. This is the yellow-tailed black cockatoo. That is amazing. For our overseas guests, that's the yellow-tailed black cockatoo. Very rare that you see them on their own. So what that black cockatoo is doing is yelling out for its mate. I can hear another black cockatoo sound in the distance. And somehow through this vast wilderness, they'll hear the sounds and they'll come together. They woke me up this morning about 2 hours ago with the sounds of their screeching in the valley. There must have been 20 or 30 of them. You can see down there the white cockatoo just landed on the trees, and they can't hide in the bush. That would be, as the crow would fly, about 2 kilometres away. It's a fair distance actually, but you just can't hide if you're a white cockatoo. I can still hear the black cockatoo in the distance. Truly is a magnificent country. Our international borders reopened in 2022, and we just can't wait to welcome everyone back and to see the looks on everyone's faces when they're looking at this beautiful wilderness and they're hearing the sounds of Australia and seeing the sights of Australia. We've battled on through COVID, but there is a bit of light at the end of the tunnel, and we're all hanging out for it. Anyway, I'm just going to continue my peaceful little early morning chill out on the rock, looking into the distance. Catch you later.